Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip-fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak saupoin rewlak. Just wow.
Sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela, uba Deiru Chairman jong ke Regional Committee na ke benta ke West Giant Hills, uba sniaw balang dhar, ha ke Santarik Unailar, Arajar Arpunrio. Ula ong, baka Meghalaya ke lapin kreat, manya keren ya kawat ya penbet puat ke baar. Henry minta ke Sarkar Meghalaya kadang ab, ya ke Sarkar Assam, bantung ya Chairman jong ke Komiti ke Jongka. Ha ke bayadai bat ke Jing IT ya ki Kaipan, na ke benta kishnong ki bahap hapok ke Blok 1, uba dhar ula ong. Babaro arteli ki komiti jong ki jilla, kidang pinkre ya kakaipan, bat tang shuyo ya kakaipan, on sa syong jingalang shwa hala ka jong ka jilla, bat nang ta on sa pintipat ya ka Sarkar Assam.
Waiting for the Assam to give us officially who's the chairman from their part. As soon as they appoint the chairman of the regional committee, I think we will meet. Officially, we have not received it today. We are ready because the report we have to put the state, no? It's difficult since the area so different. Always is an area of discussion always. So we will see. We are giving all this subject to the committee, both the state government. So that's why is the committee is the authority to take a call on the issues and moral issues. Homework we should done from our part, we have done. The officer has almost completed, and when they complete all the report, we will sit fast between the state and then we will inform the Assam when they form the committee. So we will sit both the committee and we will take a call to inform Century DC with those area of difference.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them arteli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinray ka jingmi jabo ka yapher dena kata ka daw kini artali ki jala menta kisdang pen kre banthaw ya ka joint action plan